Hello, thank you very much. Today I am going to discuss about the factors and multiples of a given numbers. So first I would like to discuss about the type of a number. Number depends upon the digit. So the first digit number starts from 1 to 9. It is very clear and it is called the ones. The second digit depends on the two digits starting from 10 to 99, three digits from 100 to 999, four digits from 1000 to 9999, and so on. And in this case, the most important thing is that the first digit number means the number starts from the 1. It is the lowest number. And the highest number is the 9. Similarly, the 10 is the lowest number of the two digits, 99 is the highest number of the two digits, 100 is the lowest number of three digits, and the 999 is the highest number of three digits. And similarly, it goes up to 6 digits. The lowest number is 1 lakh and the highest number is 9,99,999. So this is the type of a number. Then question comes, how a factor can be determined out of number. So there are certain properties. The properties of a factor is, first one is the 1 is a factor of every number and it is also the smallest factor. Second, every number is a factor itself and it is also the largest factor. Largest, highest is the same thing. Every non-zero number has a limited number of the factor. For example, 1 is the smallest and it goes to 9. Then 18 are the factors of the 18. 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18. And all the factors are always less than the number given in consideration. Now, I'll just go. Fourth is the every factor of a non-zero number is either less than or equal to given number, which I have already shown here. See, 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18, either equal or less than 18. Here also similarly, it is less or equal to 9. Now, here I am just going to tell you what is the multiplication fact and the division fact, and based on that we can find out the factors. Now just say, example 1, find the factor of 20 by multiplication and division fact. So I have made a column for multiplication fact. What is the meaning of multiplication fact and what is the meaning of division fact? Just say, in a multiplication fact, the multiplicand and multiplier, if multiplied, is the product, which is the number. Just say, try 1. If you multiply 20 by 1, it is 20. Then you multiply 2 by 10, 20. 3 by 1, not 20. Then 4 into 5 is equal to 20. And 5 into 4 by 20, it stops here itself. It will not go beyond that. Now just see, 4 and 5 are coming twice. So you have to consider ones. That means if you use the multiplication fact, then 1, 2, 3, not 3, 4, 5, 10 and 20 are the factor of the 20 by using the multiplication fact. Now come on the division fact. In division fact, the dividend, if divided by divisor, it gives quotient. Now, this is the dividend. 20 is the dividend. If you divide by 1, it is 20. Remainder, 0. If 20 is divided by 2, it gives 10. Remainder is 0. Divided 20 by 3, remainder is not 0, so we will not consider it. 20 divided by 4 is equal to 5, remainder 0. Again, 20 divided by 5 is equal to 4. So there are try 5, and out of 5, this is not applicable as far as factor is concerned. Just see here. Here, what are the factors? 1, 2, 4, 5, 10 and 20. Just see, out of all these multiplication fact and division fact, the factors are 1, 2, 4, 5, 10 and 20. Note, in a division fact, the remainder should always be 0. These are the 2 points which you have taken in factor, that factor can be determined either by multiplication fact or the division fact. Just see, here I am given the question. Find the factor of all the non-zero number by multiplication and the division fact. Number here I have given, example I have given, you have to find out what is the factor of 18 by using the procedure which I have given in the first slide, and similarly for the division fact. Just here, property of the multiples. There is a difference between factor and multiples. Just see, 0 is the multiple of every non-zero number. Example, 0 into non-zero number is always 0. So this is also one of the multiples. Every non-zero is a multiple of 1. 1 into non-zero is equal to non-zero number itself. Just see, 5 into 1 is equal to 5, 10 into 1 is equal to 10. Multiply any number, any digit number by 1. The results will be number itself. Here, the every non-zero number, every non-zero number means 0 is not included, has unlimited number of multiples, the product with 0 remainder. Just example, every mathematical table from 0 to 20, this is only for class 4, but table is beyond 20, so I am just discussing 20, have multiples of product of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 10. That means a table of 1 to 20 can be made from 1 to 10. Just see, multiple of 5. Just see, this is the table of 5 up to here, which is greater or equal to 5. That's very, very important. Again, multiple of the 10. Just see here, it is greater or equal to 10. Just see, first multiple is this, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, 7, 8, 9, 10. It will go up to 20 because I have just taken the table of 20. Now just see, fourth, every non-zero is a multiple of itself. 8 into 1 is equal to 8. This is the product. This is 38 into 1. This is also a product. So this you can say is the multiplication fact. Multiplication fact. अब देखिए, all these properties should be remembered by the students. Then he can solve the problem. Now just this. Every multiples of a non-zero number is either equal to or greater than number itself. The property of numbers. 3. Multiples of a non-zero number is divisible by the number itself. The property 3 already given. The first multiple of the number is number itself, property 3. Just see, in property 3, everything has been mentioned here. Just see. Multiple of 5 and the multiple of 10, everything is mentioned here in this case. 6. Now, what is the meaning of common multiples? Between multiples of two number. I am just giving an example. What is the multiple of 2? Multiple of 2 is equal to table of 2. It go up to very large number. 2 1 is 2, 2 2 is 4, 2 3 is 6, 2 7 is 14, 2 10 is 20. It goes like this. And multiple of 3 also, 3 1 is 3, 3 2 is 6, 3 3 is 9, and 3 10 is 10. Now just see. What is the common multiple out of that? The common multiple is 6 coming in multiple of 2 as well as here. 12 is coming in both multiples, then 18 is coming in both multiples, and 24 is coming out. This is the common multiples. For that, how we can proceed further? Just say, here written the table of 2, here table of 3, just say 6, 1, 1 is a multiple. 2, 2 is a multiple. Further go, you can find out other multiples as well. So 1 and 2 are common multiples till the table of 6. If you go beyond that, more common multiple will get it. यहाँ देखिए. Now this is a question. You have to write it. Just say, write first 10 multiples are product of the 9. So 9, you write the table of 9. 9 1 is 9, 9 2 is 18, up to 9 10 is 10. These are the 10 multiples of 9. Again, write first multiples of 10. What is the first multiple of 10? 10 1 is 10. 10 is the first multiple of 10. Write the first 3 multiples of 4 and 6. So you read table of 4 up to 3, table of 6 up to 3. There are 3 multiples of 4 and 6. Just see, show that 10869 is not a multiple of 51. If you divide this by this, the remainder should not be 0. अगर not 0 है तो multiple नहीं है. Again, write the multiples of 5 that are greater than 20 and less than 50. अब इसमें क्या है कि आप जो है 5 का जो है टेबल स्टार्ट करिए फ्रॉम 1 to 50 और उसमें देखिए जो मल्टीपल्स 20 से ज़्यादा है और 50 से लेस है वही आपका मल्टीपल्स है. अब देखिए क्वेश्चन 6, 7 into 4 is equal to 28. So question is 28 is a multiple of 4 as well as 7. Thanks you very much.